Hi guys, in this video we will see how to download VS Code IDE. So first of all you have to open your Google Chrome or any other web browser you have like Opera or any other. Here you have to type VS Code download, and here you will see the first website. You will have to click here, and here we have basically three setups for VS Code IDE. The first one is for Windows operating system, second one is Linux, and third one is for MacBook. So you have to click here for Windows download if you have Windows operating system. Here you will see everything getting started and a lot of information about VS Code. Here you can see that it is going to download, and I am going to stop it because I have already downloaded it. So let me move on this PC, and here in download folder, because I have already downloaded it, and here you will have to accept the agreement and you have to press next, and this is the location where it is going to install in your device. So you can change the device setup in so you have to just press next, and I need a create desktop icon. I will just create it, and I will press next, and it is going to install now. It will take some time, and after some time it is installed in your device. So let me complete it successful. Creating shortcut. You can see that it is downloaded in our desktop. Let me show you. I had already programs installed, so it opened these my codes. Here you can see that it is downloaded. So if you are a beginner, you would not have this folder because it is by default opened in my VS Code, as I was working in this folder. So let me create a new folder just without reason. I'm going to show you something like control C, control C. I'm going here to write the name VS or VD. Just open it, VD, and here you will see this toggle. Here you can explore it. You can see that when you click here, it is basically the minimized device and maximized. uh, Basically this is all the toggle bar. Here you can search anything in your project, and ignore this install kit. This is not for the use for the beginning, for the time being. So also ignore it. This is just for debug and run, and this is not this is most important thing, which is called extensions. So let me move on extensions. If you are using your React development, so first of all you have to write here Babel JavaScript, Babel. You will see that I have already downloaded it. That's why it is showing me uninstall. And let me show you what is the function of Babel. You can see that here are some colors. You can see this is basically all the changes of colors. You can see ES6 colors are just under condition. You can see this is red color, white color, and others as well. It's all about Babel. So let me install another extension which is known as ES6 JavaScript ES6. So what is the function of this extension? This extension creates a lot of, just open it. This this ES6 code snippet is nothing but just it gets a lot of, you can say, let me show you what is the function. Just open it. If you have JavaScript, you will see, you will just write here like DOM document dot get id by element, and you will just write here document, and you will see everything. It is showing shortcuts. Let me open the folder if I don't have opened it. I think I don't have opened any folder. So first of all, you have to open any folder. Like I'm going to open my E drive, and here VD, this is just a dummy folder, and here I'm going to write HTML doc. You can see DOCUMENT. Here it is not showing everything. Let me create HTML. Let me show you it later. Just open your extensions, and here you have to download another extension which is known as VS Code Icons. VS Code, I think there was no space between. VS Code Icons, you can see it is also downloaded. Control plus, let me show you. No, what is the function of VS Code Icons? Again, let me move on my code where here you will not see. Let me just open any already created folder to show you. I'm going to open my calculator folder. Don't save. And here you will see that these icons are showing node modules, and this is the icon for node modules and public folder, and you can see all the icons are showing here. This is just for because of React.js icons which I have downloaded. So all this setup is about VS Code installation.